Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be wiring up a holding circuit using a relay. This is how we wired the relay up in the previous video. It works so that once I press the button, the lamp will turn on, but it will only stay on as long as I hold the button. Now we want to make so that I only need to press the button once, and the lamp should stay on if I release the push button. To make a holding circuit, we will need another push button to make the circuit unlatch itself. So what I will do is to add a red push button with a normally closed block to the circuit. Next, we will unplug the cable from the WAGO connector that is connected to terminal 4 of the relay socket, and we connect it to the same side of the normally open block on the blue push button as the A1 terminal is connected to. The last thing we need to do is to add a new wire from the other side of the normally open block and wire it to terminal 3 on the relay socket. Now that everything is set up, we can test out our holding circuit. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.